Let's discuss how investing in your employees can drive business growth in 2022. Helping your staff enhance their abilities is critical to a company's success and impacts business growth through greater productivity and profitability. With the numerous funding options available, there is no reason not to invest in your staff and, as a result, your business. Upskilling is advantageous in this day and age since the contemporary world moves quickly and firms must adapt to guarantee their staff can cope with the industry's ever-changing needs. Upskilling provides various benefits, including cost savings for organizations and increased employee desire and motivation. When it comes to upskilling your staff and leveraging it to drive company growth, companies must evaluate their objectives and business goals and how they might achieve them and any potential future difficulties. Businesses must also analyze gaps in their present employees' knowledge and abilities. Once this has been determined, companies may concentrate on the proper skill sets that meet their aims while increasing employee productivity and efficiency through training and development. This is why investing in your employees is important. Upskilling your staff in-house may help you address skill shortages, increase productivity, and grow your firm. Through training, businesses may allow their employees to enhance their skills and drive development. When you invest in your workers via training and development programs, you also invest in your business. Employee development and training may help organizations accomplish their growth goals while improving employee morale, turnover, and job satisfaction. Companies and workers can gain economically from upskilling, with people benefiting from better pay and in-house career opportunities and businesses benefiting from increased productivity and morale, resulting in improved profitability for your organization. Here are the reasons why you should invest in your employees to drive business growth in 2022. Number 1. It improves the reputation of your company. Investing in your workers' learning and development may help you build a reputation as a company that values its people. Offering employee development as one of your firm's perks will help you compete for the top personnel. It can also foster a culture of continuous development. Number 2. It boosts employee loyalty. Your employees will feel valued and appreciated if you engage in staff training. They will be more loyal to the firm as a result, and dedicated employees will be more engaged, driven, and productive in their positions. As a result, there will be a more pleasant work atmosphere, improving employee motivation and encouraging individual growth among employees. According to research, employee replacement may cost a firm between 6 and 9 months of the person's income. Aside from decreased productivity, high staff turnover rates can impact a company's market position and profitability. Number 3. It improves employee capability. Staff development's influence on their talents and production is perhaps the most evident advantage. The more your team is trained, the more effective they will be. Employee development produces a pool of skilled and committed workers who are aware of their skills and shortcomings and can develop them further. Training and development have improved employees' ability to adapt to market changes, therefore contributing to long-term corporate performance. To maximize the effectiveness of the training, in addition to identifying any skill gaps that you have identified, ask your workers what growth possibilities they believe they might benefit from. It will make your workers feel heard, demonstrate your readiness to meet their requirements, and demonstrate how much you appreciate them. Final thoughts. Investing in staff training essentially enhances profitability by decreasing expenditures, which manifests as advantages such as reduced turnover or fewer penalties for noncompliance. Staff training also contributes to increased revenue, which manifests itself in the form of faster sales growth and greater productivity. It fosters a natural culture of mentorship and leadership by prioritizing internal promotion. It will take time for new recruits to learn their tasks and acclimate to the work culture, but recruiting from within will save time and demonstrate to your workers that hard work and commitment are recognized, resulting in employees wanting to work hard and go additional mile. Click on the card above to learn more about the proven steps you need to drive business growth. Also, to learn more about why you should care about your customer's experience, check out these videos on the screen. Until next time, I am Lucia. Stay creative and motivated.